Hello YouTube. Hi everyone. I'm Naushad. Welcome back to my channel Share Knowledge video tutorial. In this small video I'm going to show you PowerPoint presentation how to convert it to video file. I have one presentation file. You can see this desktop. I've opened this PowerPoint presentation. Now you can see this. Yes. I want to convert it to video file. This presentation. Okay. Now you can see this presentations project. Now I want to go to file menu. Go to file menu. Click on the file menu. Go to export. Yes. Click on the export. As you can see the smart options. Create a handout, package a presentation for CD, create an animated GIF, create a video, create a PDF file. In this case now I am choosing create a video. Okay, click on the create a video. As you can see these options, full HD 4K. Now you go to drop menu, arrow key. Yes, as you can see these options: ultra, full HD, ultra HD, 4K, full HD, HD 720 and standard. Now in this case I'm using this full HD 1080. Click on, I'm choosing this. Then after you go to create, click on the create a video, create video. As you can see this option, save options. In this case I'm using the desktop folder. I'm choosing the saving this desktop, saving to desktop. Now you can see this video. Okay, perfect, done it. Now you can see this desktop presentation video. Open the presentation video. Now done it. I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Your contribution is more confidence. If you have any issues, please comments below. If you like this video, please hit like and share. Your contribution is more confidence. Once again, thanks for watching and subscribing. See you next video. Bye. Take care.